Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. On this video I am going to be making rice water. Rice water helps strengthen the strands and stimulate hair growth. This is an highly requested video. Some of you have requested me to make this rice water, so yeah, it is for you all now. So guys, women in China, Japan and Southeast Asia have used rice water as a hair treatment. Take a cup of rice, and half cup of rice. You're going to pour in a cup full of water into the rice. What we do, we are going to rinse it first. Pour in the water and then rinse it thoroughly. Make sure to rinse the rice thoroughly so that it can be clean and get rid of any dirty in the rice. After rinsing the rice, you take the water out. So I will bring out my glass jar. This is the glass jar I will be using in storing the rice. You can use any jar of your choice. So I'm going to scoop in all this rice into the jar. I am going to take a glass of water and pour it into the rice. And then stir it with a spoon. I will make sure to stir it so that everything can be combined together. Rice water contains many of the vitamins and minerals contained in rice. This includes amino acid, B vitamins, vitamin E, and mineral antioxidants. So I am going to go ahead and add in my orange peel. This is a back of an orange. So what this does is it will help reduce the smell of the rice water. The orange peel will help give it a nice smell. So if you have any essential oil available, you can also add it, like peppermint and lavender. Lavender has a nice smell. So guys, I'm going to cover it and then keep it in a cool place for 3 to 4 days. So guys, you can decide to leave this rice water for a day or two depending on how early you want to use your rice water. When you ferment your rice water, it ferments into a liquid vitamin and all the nutrients will be rolled in. So this is my rice water after 3 days, guys. The smell is not looking nice at all, guys. The smell is not nice, but the orange has helped in limiting it. So guys, I'm going to now sieve my rice water. Advocate of using rice water is it detangles the hair, it makes it smoother, it increases shine, it makes your hair stronger, and it helps hair grow longer. So let's look at the benefits of using this fermented rice water. Regular use of fermented rice water helps restore the pH level of hair, adding elasticity and health in each strand. Fermented rice water is a rich source of vitamin E. This is known to turn frizzy, damaged hair into soft, silky, and stresses. When you ferment your rice water, it ferments into a liquid vitamin, like I said earlier, and all the nutrients are rolled in. Yao women credit the length and color of their hair to the fact that they bathe it in rice water. So how do you use this rice water? You simply use your rice water by firstly wash your hair with shampoo. You have to wash your hair with shampoo, rinse it thoroughly with water, and then pour the rice water into your hair using a spray bottle. You can use the spray bottle to spray the rice water all over your hair and to your scalp. Then you massage your hair and cover it for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off with a warm water. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can do this with any container of your choice. Like I have this empty Johnson baby container which I use in washing my baby's hair sometimes, so I'm going to be pouring some of it into the container. So you can use a container or a spray bottle, whichever work for you, just use it. So guys, this is it. If you're new here, like if this is your first time visiting this channel, you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. You're going to benefit a lot. We talk more about health, beauty, home remedies, hairstyles, spiritual benefits, like a lot of things are going on. How to grow your hair longer, skincare tips, a lot of things that you're going to really benefit from on this channel. So you don't want to miss out whenever I upload a new video. If you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends and family. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video to this extent, and see you guys on my next one. My wash day routine will be coming on how I use this rice water, so you don't want to miss it. So guys, see you all on my next video. Bye bye.